Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode we are in Svelte and we're gonna see the reactive statements and how we can use inside our projects and reflect them in our DOM elements. It's gonna be very simple, short video. Let's jump inside our build. Here I'm gonna create my script tag in order to write some JavaScript codes inside there. Also a function. I'm gonna create a variable of count. I'm gonna give the initialized value of 0. Here I'm gonna create a button. And here I'm gonna reflect my count number. Let's save it 0 times. I'm gonna create a ternary operator. I'm gonna say if count is less or equal to 1. Ask it. I'm gonna say time or is more than 1 time. It's gonna say times. Okay. I'm gonna give a space here. 1 time, 0 time. Oh, nothing's happening. Why? Because here I didn't create my on-click event. If you wanna see my event video, I will leave it into the description of this video, and you go and you can watch it and learn how we can make our events. It's very simple. Here I'm gonna name it click button. Click button. I'm gonna create this variable. I'm gonna set const click button. I'm gonna do an arrow function. I'm gonna increase the number of counts per 1 each time. Okay. 0 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. You see, we are using this ternary operator to compare if our count is equal or less than 1, excuse me, or if it's more, we're gonna reflect that it's times, not time, because it's plural, not single. Now, how we can use our main objective of this video, the reactive statements. Here I leave my code a little bit space in JSX count. I have here my function. I come here. I create my $sign. Okay. I do these dots. And here I say if count equals to 5, then reflect me something. Make an alert and say you have reached the number 5. Okay, easy. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, you reached number 5, and here we reflect the number 5 inside our button. Now, what can I do if I want also to use, beside the if statement, the else statement? Okay, we have to make also an else statement beside that. Here I'm gonna do this parenthesis. I'm gonna close it down there. I'm gonna close it if I can. I don't know where it's gone. Okay, I've closed it. Here I'm creating the else if statement. Else if count equals to 10. I'm gonna fire an alert. It's gonna say alert, congrats, you have reached to the top. number 5, the first alert, and let's do also number 10. Congrats, you have reached to the top. Okay, and nothing else is happening. We're increasing the number. Let's set now. Lastly, if I want not to make numbers hard-coded, how can I reflect them inside my reactive statements with my count reflecting? I'm deleting the double quotes. I'm doing the backticks with not this regular one, but the side one. I'm closing it. You have reached the number, and here I'm gonna do the $sign, open the parenthesis, and say count. Okay, equals to 5, count. Easy, you reached number 5. What if I want to say number 3? Okay, save it. You see, my alert changed to 3 because now it's not hard-coded. I can change it whatever I want and compare it in my statement and say if it reached to the specific number, I can reflect it inside my DOM element like this. So the video was like this. Thank you for watching me. Please like this video if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. Obviously, I'm a new channel and I need more audience. And I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Be safe and see you soon. I love you all. You're one of your kind. See you soon. Bye bye.